your favorite guy in the hoodie, Jay Knows Credit, back with another video. On today's video, I want to tell you all about the power of using your credit cards to get Bitcoin through a lot of our Bitcoin ATMs that now have United States. So if you take your credit card and you see that you have a cash balance. Now there's other ways to do it if you don't have a cash balance, but right now, for those of y'all who do have a cash advance balance, this is just the easiest method, okay? So let's say you have a credit card with Navy Federal, and if you don't already have Navy Federal, I will help you get Navy Federal access for $300 to your Jay Knows Credit, okay? And that's as of right now making this video, price may go up, okay? So let's say you have a Navy Federal card and they gave you a $20,000 credit limit. Now, as a part of this credit limit, they also gave you some cash advance money available of $7,000, okay? So that means you can actually go to any bank. Keep in mind, you don't have to go to Navy Federal. Take that credit card, your ID, you can go to any bank and let them know that you want to get a cash advance. Let's say you want to get the whole $7,000, right? Take that $7,000 out, take yourself to a Bitcoin ATM, and let's say for example, you know, the price of Bitcoin at one point went down over the last couple of days, went down to 31,000. Okay, let's say you saw it, and you got in at 35,000. Right now, as of today, is trading at $40,000 a coin. So let's say you had, you know, that $7,000 you withdrew, and you put that all into Bitcoin. Okay, and I'm not giving you an exact calculation, but let's say from 35,000 to 40,000, what it helped your amount grow to of that 7,000. Let's say you had now 8,500, say, for a quick example, right? So let's say you borrowed that money. It took 3 days for it to go from that $35,000 to $40,000 level, and you just made $1,500 within a matter of those 3 days. So if you borrowed, you had that cash advance fee, you could actually pay that cash advance fee, which should be very minimal at that time, for only 3 days. Okay, and plus we talk about processing, getting money and all that, but you can do instant withdrawals with your Bitcoin and take that money and then pay that money back, including fees. And look, you got $1,500. So even if the fee was 30 or 40 or whatever, you still came up $1,000 in a matter of a few days. Now this can also happen in a few minutes or a few seconds. It can happen with different cryptocurrencies, right? So here's just an easy example. But with the actual Bitcoin ATMs, you can buy Litecoin, you can buy Ethereum, and you can convert it to a different coin. So maybe you need more BNB tokens to get other coins that are out there, other poo coins, other coins that are starting up, okay, that just come out in the market. You can 10, 15 times your money very, very fast by just, you know, using your credit cards in order to fund it. And right now, everybody's on different types of crypto, and all cryptos are moving very, very fast, and you can get involved in that opportunity without leveraging your own cash. This is the way the wealthy do it. They never use their own cash, ladies and gentlemen. That is not what the wealthy do. They use other people's money. OPM is how you do it. So if you got a credit card, that's not your money. That can be seed money. That can be money that you use to invest, to actually make yourself better, get yourself in a better position financially, and grow your wealth. Or actually just, hey, you just want to flip it real quick, just to make a quick flip and not reinvest it, you can do that as well. But there's an opportunity out here for us to take our money from our credit cards and invest it in different things, especially Bitcoin. But it's just a little quick bit for you. Hopefully you all like it. If you like this video, hit the button, you know, like it, follow it. If this is on YouTube, subscribe. If it's on Instagram, follow, like, share the video. All right, thank y'all for watching.